Okay, class, before we start our lesson today, I want all of you to repeat some vocabularies that will be mentioned by me. I want you to repeat after me loudly. Bank. Beautiful. Big. Boring. Cheap. Cinema. Exciting. Expensive. Great. Hospital. Hotel. Important. Interesting. Little. Museum. New. Old. Restaurant. Safe. Short. Station. Tall. University. That's good. All right. Now, we're going to learn about is there a, are there any? Is there a, are there any? Now, let me explain you how to use is there a and are there any in questions. Look at the example number 1. Is there a bank here? Let me repeat. Is there a bank here? So, if there is singular noun, do you still remember what is the meaning of singular noun? Yes, the noun which is only one. So we will have to use is there a. Then the short answers will be yes, there is, no, there isn't. So if the question is there a bank here? The short answers will be yes, there is, no, there isn't. The second sentence, are there any people outside? Why do we have to use are there any here? Because it is followed by plural noun. People here, more than one. And for this question, the short answers will be yes, there are, no, there aren't. So if the question is, are there any people outside? The answer will be yes, there are, no, there aren't. So we can conclude that if the sentence followed by singular noun, we will have to use is there a. But if the sentence is followed by plural noun, so we will have to use are there any. Now look at practice here. Number 1, circle the correct words. So in this practice, you will have to choose whether the answer is or are. Now, remember what I've said before? If it is followed by singular, so we will have to use is. If it is followed by plural, so we will have to use are. Look at number 0 here. Is or are there a supermarket near here? So it is followed by singular noun, a supermarket. Only one supermarket, so the answer will be is. Now I want you to think first. What is the answer of number 1? Okay, number 1, there isn't or aren't any museums in my town. Now let's see any museums. Do you think it is singular noun or plural noun? Yes, that's right. It is plural noun because there is S in here. So the answer will be aren't. That's good. Next we come to number 2. Is or are there any good museums near here? Now let us underline first the noun. Any good museums. It's the same as number 1, followed by S here. It means that it is plural noun. So the answer will be are. Are there any good museums near here? Next, we have number 3 here. Is or are there a bank on the street? Now, let us underline here a bank. Is it singular or plural? Yes, that's singular noun. Only one, a bank, right? So the answer will be is. Is there a bank on the street? Now number 4, there isn't or aren't a hospital here. A hospital here shows that it is singular noun. So the answer will be isn't. There isn't a hospital here. How about number 5? There's here is the same meaning with there is. So the answer will be is or are. There's or are a great restaurant we can eat in. Now let's start from here. A great restaurant. Is it singular or plural? Yes, that is a singular noun because we have article a here. So the answer will be is. There is a great restaurant we can eat in. Now we come to number 6. There is or are lots of students in my school. Lots of students in my school shows that it is plural noun. So if it is plural noun, we will have to use are. So the answer will be there are lots of students in my school.